Create animate captions for your videos might sound complicated at first. You might think you have to type every single word manually, but in this video I will show you a very simple and fast way to generate automatic and animated caption using Davinci Resolve. And the best part, it's completely free. So let's jump straight into it. The paid version of Davinci Resolve already includes automatic caption feature, but unfortunately that option isn't available in the free version. That's exactly why I'm sharing this tutorial. The tool is called AutoSubs, created by developer Tom Rodney. I leave the download link and his channel in the description, giving him proper credit. To get started, access the website and click in the download button. Select your system and press download. After downloading, run the installer and follow the steps until the installation is complete. Now let's open DaVinci Resolve and prepare our caption style. First, we need to create a text style that's well used as preset. Go to Effects and select Text Plus and drag it to the timeline. From here, you can customize it whatever you want. Inspect the panel on the text section, change the font, and increase the weight to something like extra bold for better readability. You can also adjust the color and size. Under the Layout tab, move the text to the center or down. Then go to the Shading tab. Here is how it works. You see Shading tab, you will see shading elements numbered from 1 to 8. Each number represents a separate layer you can customize. Element 1, control the main fill color. Element 2, and press enable. And you will notice the outline activates. Now you can adjust the outline thickness and color. Next, enable element 3 to add shadow. You can change the shadow color. Next, enable element 4 to add a background behind the text. Here you can change the color, you can change around the corners. That's it, that's final look. You can follow this style or experiment to create something that matches your one project. Saving the caption preset. Once the text is ready, go back to the media pool and drag this text plus clip from the timeline. This will save its preset, so you can delete this text from timeline. Now open the AutoSubs tool, Workspace, Scripts, AutoSubs. To make your captions, you'll need to select the auto track. So put the auto track what you want make. I'm gonna choose audio 1. In the subtitle settings, I will choose the text plus, set the spoken language, in this case English. In the output track, in the text format, you can change how many lines and words your caption will have. So just one line and one word per line. In the text case, you can change to normal, lowercase, and you can change it to the uppercase. I will choose uppercase and remove the punctuation, activating this option. So almost done. Click start transcription and wait a little bit. Transcription complete. So click on add to timeline and all the words will be added. So you can close all the subs and done. The captions are generated in perfect place on the timeline.
Listen, I don't have time for small talk. Are we getting coffee or what? And no, not from some random chain. We're going to that spot on the corner with the oat milk that's actually good. Oh, and if one more person stops in the middle of the sidewalk, I swear, I'm gonna lose it. Move with purpose, people. Anyway, how's your day?
So what do you think of this tool? It's impressive how easy it is to create high quality captions for free. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video. It really helps.